Hello everybody, welcome to my X-Files. Yes, it's another day with the Beko WS832425s and the Hoover VTC5911NB. Now, of course, already inside is these. Ow! Ow! Which were on the daily quick cycle. Ow! And sorting it out. Ow! Ow! And then, of course, a lot of things are connected. Ow! And that's everything from that. So that would go on rapid 40. Check that afterwards. Could be thing to do with water or dust. Anyways, in here is the load. This new load stuffs. All of this. Which also includes a towel, so this could create unbalanced spins, because towels are always prone to do. So there it is. That is the load in there. Of course, it also includes that dirty thing. Put those bio pads in, shut the door. We're just gonna have a wash with this. Cotton's 90. Only that, it would definitely not take 2 hours 26 because it's got some kind of sensor in there that of course senses it, and it goes rapidly down to something like 1 hour 40 or something like that. Yeah, dryer's now condensating. Yeah, wash dryer's condensating. And dust is starting to come onto there. And of course, oh dear, washer has accidentally rolled a bit of bio pad into the wash. To the suds water base, and hopefully that will just absorb that. See that dirt, that water's already filthy ready. Hence some of the reasons of why to use a Cotton's 90. Okay, so all ready now, the dryer is finished. So it will be of course emptied, and everything will be folded back up, and of course I'll be doing maintenance from that, and of course the water's behind here. Now, underneath here, the washing machine is now at 90 degrees. It's really, really hot to touch. And all that water now. Really dirty. Never knows what we're going to do with some of those rapid, speedy, turbo tumbles. But maybe not at this moment. Washing machine, of course, is now on its first rinse. Yeah, they'll be finished at 2:04. Washing machine is on its final spin. Let's probably do something further. Here we go. Oh, God. It's unbalanced. It is definitely unbalanced, that one. Oh, it's really shaking the dryer upstairs. I need to shut that door. That does not look good. That does not look good. Look at it. Just going for it. The machine is going for it. Oh, it's going up a gear. And look at all that water, it's going to start. The water is starting to shake. There is now vibration activity in there. There's no suds coming down just yet. Look at it, it's all getting vigorous now. Here comes the suds bit, and it's going into a slide, and oh, now is it? And oh no, it is starting to fuzzy logic spin there now. This washing machine's demented. The pressure has been released. It's crazy what with this. Oh no, it's going even faster. Look at this. I mean, look at this. This is crazy what? The washing machine's demented. It's demented. So it's getting even crazier now. 7,300 RPM now. And of course all that is starting to mist over. There's suds all over the place. Well, suds coming in from the right, most of it's on the left. That door's trying. You can't knock that. The machine is demented. It's just making this humongous bad rumbling sound. Oh my god. That is bad. Now that the washing is finished, it can be turned off, and of course I need to go and sort out this Hoover before going to work. So there we go, maintenance is done, and now everything can go into that Hoover Vision Tech dryer.
now.
Okay, that's the dryer ready. And we'll put it on cupboard dry. So next piece is all in here. Oh, in this bag, waiting to go. So yeah, it's a small load here, but of course the unbalancing bit is going to be that. So put that on daily quick 30. Of course, you're warned on the station the dryer's starting to build up, and of course it sounds a lot better now, but it has been emptied of all dust and water. So yeah, both machines are now working in tandem. Of course, that is mostly water based, but I think it still has a couple of spare suds in there. So I guess the dryer clicks like the washing machine does. But this will get up to 30 quite quickly. And 30 will do enough to actually clean all of that out. Okay, of course the washing machine's in the middle of the spin. At the end time it spins and it is slightly unbalanced. So not really any activity, but the water is wobbling. My god, that had a little bit of a, told you it's slightly imbalanced. Dryer's doing very well. Washing machine is of course on its final rinse. And it's now sent to spin. So all that water will just disappear. There you go. Oh, no, look at it, it's a very unbalanced distribution again, look at it, that's not good. So yeah, washing machine's now on its final spin. anything could happen here. By the looks of that. Nope, he's not going to take it. Okay, he's definitely going to do this one. Here we go. No, not again. It's unbalanced, but not very unbalanced. So that was lucky, that was. Is it gonna? Yeah. It's rocking the machine above. Making a couple of little tapping noises. Right, 600 PM. There you go, this is where fun, crazy stuff happens. Yep, we've got water activity going on. Don't think there'll be any suds, but if there is, that's going to be crazy. What if there's going to be any suds? But yeah, that water is actually spraying everywhere. It's crazy what the washing machine's doing. So 4 minutes left, there's just a few minutes to go. Still way up to 1200. Oh, here comes the suds back build. I was thinking that was going to happen. Oh no, it's getting crazy now. Look at it. Oh, it's crazy now. Right, it's at maximum speed of 1,300. This bit is water based, but suds are actually trapping. That's creating crazy things going on in the machine. But it's crazy what that's what it is. Washing machine's demented. Demented. That's what the machine is. Oh my God. What? well, that's it for today. So with that said, thank you for watching my X-Files, and I'll see you again next time, slugheads.